this is what I needed, some wind therapy. I mean, most people think motorcycles, you know, it's just riding. It's not. It really isn't. For me, motorcycle is my getaway, mentally and physically. Life alone is stressful, very, very stressful. I like to ease that stress by riding my motorcycle. The adrenaline, the wind, I mean, it's like you're in your own little world out here. It boggles my mind when people say Harley is just a motorcycle, or even just a motorcycle, any motorcycle. They're not just motorcycles. To me, it's a way of life, way of living. It's also a hobby, but it's more than just a motorcycle. Working on your motorcycle, that's a privilege, for sure.